Hello, fifth grade. You should be looking at your adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. Can I just say, this is all you can hope for, because once your denominators are like, you're golden, you're set, you're good to go. So common denominators, they are fractions that have the same denominator. That means number on the bottom. Remember, fractions, numerator on top, denominator on the bottom. Sum is a clue word that is the answer to an addition problem. And difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So we're only worried about adding and subtraction right now. Nothing other than that. I don't know why I said nothing weird like that, but nothing other than that. All right, I'm gonna pick a new color. Let's go with green. So when adding and subtracting fractions, first, to add the two fractions with the same denominator, half the battle is making sure, hey, are my denominators like? Are they similar? Are they the same? You're just like double checking. If the denominator is the same, then you just add the numerators, like straight across. If you're subtracting two fractions with the same denominator, then you just subtract the numerators just across, like PEMDAS, from left to right. And then this part's probably the trickiest of them all, is possibly needing to simplify the sum or difference. All right, going on. So we need to write the expression represented by these fraction tiles. So sometimes you'll see pictures, sometimes you'll see the algorithm. In this case, we have an image. I see 1/5 and 2/5. Remember, 2 is the number of pieces, and fifths are a common denominator. I keep that the same. And then I see over here, these two are together. So I see 1/5, 2/5. Because my denominators are the same, it also stays the same in the answer. This is like the anchor. I gotta make sure this is taken care of first before I can do anything else. Now that I do have the common denominator of 5 and 5, now I just add 2 plus 2, which is 4. This is very commonly why students struggle with fractions, is they think, oh, 5 plus 5 is 10. No, you're not gonna put 10. The denominator, it's like the anchor, it stays the same. It's the roots of the tree, it stays put. We gotta make sure they're the same first before we can do anything. And they were, so we're good. Let's go on to this one. So we started with, let's see, how many of these did we start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 sixths. And they took away 2 of the 6 pieces. So just like subtracting across, make sure the denominators are the same. I'm good. Now 5 minus 2 leaves me with 3. And look, just like in my picture, I have 1, 2, 3 sixths remaining. All right, I want to do one more problem with you guys. Evaluate the expression, write your answer in simplest form. So I have 1/4 plus 2/4. You'll find very quickly, like, well, my denominator stays the same. Really, I'm just worried about the numerators. 1 plus 2 is 3. That's my final answer. I hope you guys find that going through these notes that these will seem fairly cheesy, because really it's more of reviewing, checking first, are your denominators the same? Yes, 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 and so on. Then you either add or subtract from left to right, just like a regular addition or subtraction problem you'd recognize from 2nd and 3rd grade. All right, you're gonna fill in the notes and complete that, and then we're gonna go over these together.